Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x80010108, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable or apply, OK, and then finally restart the system. The next solution is to disable the antivirus. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. And then go to Virus and Threat Protection. Select Manage Settings and turn off real-time protection, at least temporarily. We'll switch it on later. And lastly, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and go to the System tab, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.